Hello everyone, welcome back to PM Academy. Today's topic is Essential Educational Qualifications for Combined Graduate Level Exam conducted by Staff Selection Commission. Dear students, all of you know that Staff Selection Commission conducts graduate level exam, combined graduate level exam every year. Around 30 lakh students appear for the exam. Various types of the posts of the different ministries, departments or organizations of the government of India are filled up through this exam. Certain educational qualification criteria are there which needs to be understood by each and every students. In today's lecture, I am discussing only the essential educational qualifications of a combined graduate level examination. First one I am coming, Assistant Audit Officer and Assistant Accounts Officer. Dear students, first requirement is bachelor's degree from recognized university or institutions. Means bachelor's degree means maybe BA, maybe BCom or maybe BSc or any other stream which are equivalent to the graduation levels, and they are also eligible for this service. These are mentioned under the essential qualifications. Besides the essential qualifications, another criteria is there, that is the desirable qualifications. In this case, in the post of Assistant Audit Officer and Assistant Accounts Officer, desirable qualifications are there. What is the meaning of desirable qualifications and what criteria are there for the desirable qualifications? CA, Chartered Accountant, Cost and Management Accountant, or Company Secretary, or Masters in Commerce, or Masters in Business Studies, or MBA in Finance, or Masters in Business Economics. These qualifications has been mentioned in the Assistant Audit Officer or Assistant Accounts Officer as the desirable qualification. Also, another point has been mentioned in the column of desirable qualifications. During the period of probation, direct recruit shall have to qualify the subordinate audit and account service examination in respective branches for confirmation and regular appointment as Assistant Audit Officer and Assistant Accounts Officer. Means these type of qualifications has been specified for these qualifications have been mentioned for Assistant Audit Officer and Assistant Accounts Officer. Now, in this way, the two criteria have been mentioned. One is desirable qualification, second one is essential educational qualifications. Then I am taking you to the next one, Junior Statistical Officer. In the case of Junior Statistical Officers, bachelor's degree in any subject from a recognized university or institutions. And also another condition has been mentioned in this case, that actually the candidates, those who have passed the 10+2 or the 12th standards with mathematics as one of the subject and having 60%, they are eligible for this post. Any graduate and in the 12th pass with the 60% marks as in mathematics as one of the subject, or bachelor's degree in any subject with statistics as one of the subject at the degree level. Any bachelor's degree, if they have the statistics subject as one of the subject, they are also eligible for the junior statistical officers. It is job number 2, or that means second type of the job that I mentioned. So different type of the qualification has been prescribed. Third one is Statistical Investigator Grade 2. In the Statistical Investigator Grade 2, bachelor's degree with statistics as one of the subject from a recognized university or institutions with statistics as a subject in all the 3 years, first year, second year, third year, +3 level, or you can say if the semester systems are there, So statistics must be all the 6 semesters in the exam. So in this case, the statistical investigator grade 2 are filled up having the subject of statistics. Only that type of candidate, graduate with statistics as one of the subject of the statistics all the 3 years, are eligible for this post. Then another post is there in the combined graduate level exam. So I am coming in the point number 4, assistant in the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal or NCLAT. In this case, essential qualification is there. Essential qualification, any graduate or bachelor's degree from a recognized university or institutions. Then essential qualifications are mentioned. Having a law degree, that is also essential qualifications in the case of assistant in the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. Then another one is there, another post is there, that the research assistant in the National Human Rights Commission. As research assistant. So here essential qualifications are any graduate from the university or institutions, maybe BA, BCom, BSc, or essential qualification, desirable qualifications are also there, either law degree or at least 1 year's research experience in any of the college or the university, college affiliated to the university or from the university or the institute, at least 1 year's research experience from the university or any institutions, or law degree or the law degree of the law or a degree on the human rights from a recognized university. These are the desirable qualifications besides the general essential qualifications of the any graduate from the university, any graduate from the recognized university. After this, all other posts. So I discuss you about the 5 type of the post. They have the qualifications little bit different from the others. But remaining post of the combined graduate level exams, simple, it is any graduate, means bachelor's degree from recognized university or equivalent. So they are also eligible for other type of the post. There is no specific that having the statistics or mathematics or human rights, like the research experience, or you can say law degree, nothing is mentioned. Simple, any graduate, no criteria is there. Simple pass graduate are also eligible for all other type of the post. Then next, other, besides these qualification, other criteria are there which needs to be filled up, which comes under the essential educational qualifications column of the notification of Staff Selection Commission. The next one is the candidate must possess essential qualifications on or before the closing date of the applications. Their qualification must be completed. They have completed these the degrees, requirement degrees on or before the closing date. Besides all these things, I am coming to the certain government notifications relating to the qualifications. First, I am coming to Ministry of HRD, Human Resources Development Department, dated 10/6/2015, published in the Gazette of India, that actual all degrees or the diploma certificates awarded by universities, set up by act of the parliament or by the state legislatures, through the, that means exam conducted open learning methods or the distance modes, or exam conducted under deemed university, set up section under the section 3 of the UGC Act 1956, and even the distance education, the degrees or the diplomas which are awarded by these universities through the open and the distance modes and approved by Distance Education Council as per the HRD notification dated 10/6/2015 in the Gazette of India, all are eligible for the post because their qualification is accepted by the Staff Selection Commission. So that is nothing wrong in it. And I am coming to the another UGC notifications. There is some little bit confusing and you will understand actually. how it has been clarified. UGC Open and Distance Learning Regulations 2017 published in Official Gazette 23/6/2017 that actual any degrees relating to engineering, medical, nursing, pharmacy, architecture, physiotherapy or dental, so they are not accepted. It cannot be the valid through the distance and the open learning mode. So when these declarations given by the regulations, UGC regulations, but immediately it was challenged in the Supreme Court decision dated 11/3/2019. A decision came from the Supreme Court that actual BTech degrees or the diplomas in the engineering awarded by the IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University, till 2009 and the 10 are valid. Means actually those candidates have completed the technical educations, whether engineering or the diplomas from the IGNOU before or till 2009 or the 10. So they will be taken as the valid and their candidature will be considered. So these are different ways the essential qualifications has been defined by the Staff Selection Commission. It needs to be understood by the students. And after all these things, once you are also selected, all the candidates who are selected will be called for the submission of the documents. At that time actually you have to submit all your the original documents and you have to keep your original documents ready once you are also appearing the exam. So you have to submit all your the documents. After thorough verifications you will be the selected. Then certain another thing is that, dear students, if the candidate possesses equivalent educational qualification, just I want to clarify you, certain like BBA is equivalent to, or BMS is equivalent to BBA, or PGDBM equivalent to the MBA. In this way actual, if someone also having the equivalent educational qualifications, that candidates have to produce the equivalent relevant certificates, that means signed by the competent authority of that relating to the subject or particular that subject or the departments, and it is to be the considered by, you can say, like the user department or the appending authority concerned. If it was approved that actual equivalent educational qualification is okay, or it is as per the government norms, then they will be selected or they will be accepted as the qualified candidates of the Staff Selection Commission. In this way, dear students, the Staff Selection Commission in their the notification has defined the essential educational qualifications. It is not of my own. It has been defined by the Staff Selection Commission for the knowledge of the students, for betterment of the students, and thorough understanding of the students before appearing or filling up the forms. I am just also giving this the lecture through my the videos for your the knowledge, for your the information, and you will be the more comfortable while appearing this the exams. Before concluding my lecture, dear students, I request you to subscribe my channel if you are the first viewer, and please like my lecture or like my channel, share my the lecture to your the friends and the colleagues. Once again request you to subscribe my channel if you are the first viewers, and press the bell icon to get the first notification. Thank you today, dear students.